In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Relevance AI to the HTTP module. Let's dive right into the process, starting with accessing Relevance AI's platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the Relevance AI website, a hub tailored for building and utilizing AI in your business applications. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your login email, then click on the continuation option. Don't forget your password. Enter that next and click continue once more to access your personalized Relevance AI dashboard. When you arrive at your dashboard, you'll notice a bunch of options and tools available at your fingertips. Our focus here is on connecting to the HTTP module, which begins by clicking on the Tools section. Once you're inside the Tools menu, select the option to create a new tool by clicking on plus New Tool. At this stage, you have the choice to select from an array of pre-existing templates, or you can choose to build something entirely fresh, from scratch. Continuing with our setup, you will need to add a new step to your tool project. Among the different components you can incorporate, search specifically for the HTTP module. Once located, click on it to initiate configuration. This step is crucial, as you'll be linking your AI tool to an external API through this module. Now let's break down the configuration process. Begin by pasting in the URL of the HTTP service you wish to connect to in the API endpoint field. You'll next encounter the method field. Here you need to select the appropriate request method: get, post, put, or delete, depending on what you aim to achieve with this connection. Headers might be necessary based on the API requirements, so do incorporate fields like authorization or content type if they apply to your context. Involving any kind of data transfer through POST or PUT will require you to specify the body or payload. This often takes the form of a JSON object or another parameterized format that matches the API's expectations. After successfully configuring the HTTP module, you'll want to map the API response. Select which parts of the response are most relevant for your needs, whether it's a data object, status information, or a message that comes back from the API. Finalizing the setup allows you to validate the integration. Begin by clicking Run Step to test the functionality of this specific step. Once it runs successfully and your parameters are mapped correctly, go ahead and execute Run Tool to implement the entire configuration. And that is how you connect Relevance AI to the HTTP module, creating a seamless bridge between your AI projects and external systems, all from within one powerful platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want more insights or need help troubleshooting any step, leave a comment below and stay tuned for more tutorials.